For any beginner or experienced trader, learning a new strategy is exciting, especially when you start to see immediate positive returns on your trading account. However, inevitably, every strategy is going to have its flaws, as naturally you will incur a few losses along the way. As we know, trading the market is a game of probabilities. This is when most inexperienced traders start to doubt their strategy and bend the rules, thinking that it's best to tweak their strategy in the hope to recover a few losses. Backtesting your strategy couldn't be more important for your psychology, as not only are you becoming increasingly familiar with the characteristics of your strategy, you are seeing the results of the strategy play out over the long term. By looking at historical data using the replay mode in TradingView, you can apply your strategy or mine across multiple currency pairs and timeframes. This reinforces your confidence in the strategy, as you know that over a long period of time, when applying the same rules and technique, the probabilities are in your favor. Naturally, this removes the desire to make unnecessary tweaks and amendments to your strategy, which in the long term can be hugely detrimental to your results. Okay, so we're now on TradingView, which I'm sure most of you are now quite familiar with. And we have a function called the replay mode. Now at the top here, you'll see that it says replay. And if we press replay, we are now given this red vertical line. Now, if you hover this red vertical line over any of the data, and let's say that you want to remove all of the data that's in front of the red vertical line where it's placed at the moment. So if we click like so, that now removes all of the data that was in front of the red line. So now we've removed some of the most current price action and we're now looking at historical data. What we can do here is we can drop down to, say, the 4-hour time frame, and we can start to build up our confluences and we can start to backtest our strategy. For example, we can see prices moving in an uptrend, making high highs and high lows in the 4-hour time frame. And as soon as price starts to stall and reverse, that's when we plot our Fibonacci. That's the first thing that we do. So if we plot a fib from the last significant low to the current significant high, which is there, and as per the strategies, we're going to be looking for price to retrace into one of the Fibonacci levels. So what you can do here is you can plot the fib, and then you have this little bar here. And let's say that we want the candles to appear every 0.5 seconds. We can then press play. And now we can see how price action is going to evolve and develop, looking at the historical data. And this is just a really nice little tool to understand the characteristics of individual currency pairs, and also just to really familiarize yourself with the strategies as well.